Hey, good morning, it's Matthew. Today we're doing an insane hike. We're going up to the ruins of an old plantation. I'm guessing these ruins are at least 200 years old, possibly longer, probably built during Jamaica's sugar boom in the mid-18th century. Moko actually took me and my friend Eric on a hike there on my very first trip to Jamaica in 2010, and that's where we shot the first soursop episode, one of the first Ross Kitchen videos we ever made. Anyhow, Moko refers to the place as Slavery House, and it's one of many plantation ruins that you can actually find across the island if you do a bit of research.
All right, enjoy the quietness, man.
Yeah,
Enjoy your time.
Probably I'll get some gold up there, slavery, you know.
We'll take Ratty with us too. Yep. We'll catch you soon.
May I cook.
All right, enjoy.
Cook some peas in a pot there. But I come back, when I come back, me look about a little fish, you know.
Oh, wicked. I'll film that too.
Yeah,
All right, save the fish for me. We'll be back soon.
Yeah, man.
All right, brother. Here we go.
Wicked hike today. It's gonna go just with Coopy, but it looks like Ratty is tagging himself in, which is all good. It should be fun to have him along.
Bye, Buggy. See you soon, Duret.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll take Ratty off your hands for a little while, give you a break.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Coopy, where are we going to today? We have to cross the river? Yeah, easy. Damn, okay. 2 down out of 3. Note to watch my step. Damn, I was all geared up, boots off and everything, but it's like this is a barefoot thing. So much for boots. Oops. And look, Coopy doesn't wait for no man. Feels good, feels good. We're lucky we might get some sun.
This is normally a dry part of the river, but as you can see, it's still pretty wet. And just hope it'll stay dry enough to get to the tree line. If it rains in there, it's not nearly as much of an issue, of course.
A little more powerful. Okay, it is getting very strong over here. Do not drop camera in water. Almost across. Okay, here we go. Easy part now.
I see him stand right there. That's why. So we're gonna follow that road.
How strong was that river?
Really strong. Look over there. Some calabash. Wow.
Wow, good eye. A big bash. Yeah, we'll take that on the way home for sure.
And that one too. One more up there. Big one.
Oh yeah, this is a good bash tree. Good eye, Ratty.
Yes. We're gonna search for Coopy. I don't see him turn that way. I see him.
I think we go up this way, up near the bamboo area.
Yeah, because that's where it's wrong.
Hey,
I've been up this way a bunch of times to pick bamboo when we went and got the pole to try to build an antenna. This is the way, same way we went.
I think it's this way.
What did he say?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure too.
The guide is gone.
We cannot find him.
He's just gone. Found him? Okay.
Found you.
You know how serious Coopy is when he's working? Well, he's equally serious when he's hiking. Doesn't wait for no man. Doesn't matter if you're filming. It's a challenge to keep up.
Whoa, slippery, man.
That's what I found Coopy.
You found Coopy? Oh, there he is. Oh, Coopy looks different.
Huh?
Huh?
The rain them here look one.
Uh-huh.
Rain. Where am I tree? Bamboo tree.
No man, look over there, me I look one. Look no
Oh,
man.
I want the rain to come.
Rain, let's me I look one.
Yeah, so shelter over here for a minute.
Minute. And the rain, me I look one how it a fall.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here goes. Ooh. Slippery, slippery. These cows have pretty good balance, though. Yeah, this is right where we made our bamboo antenna. And down there, that's where Popcorn throws his parties. It is slippery today. I would not be surprised if I go down. Look at these guys. So I'm gonna call the fail myself before it happens, but I'm definitely gonna be falling in the mud today on this hike. It seems inevitable given the current conditions. At least have some roots to grab on here. That's pretty steep. Blue skies and bamboo. That's what I like. Hell yeah. My guides are gone again. The view's getting amazing already. Been hiking maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It's already looking awesome. So there's the river down there. Our swimming hole. And Moko Slow Farm is that patch just around there. Nice natural steps. Found some little guinea. Look at all these little guinea. Some rain in those hills.
Look over here, sir. Where's there like a blue mountain, you know, a blue mountain, you never go there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been there.
You go there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Been to the top, man.
Where's it?
Around the back.
How far, man? You never go there.
Yeah.
Go on, sir.
Hey, what are these beads, man?
What?
These little seeds.
Oh. What are you calling that?
What is it?
The color on them is amazing.
What is it? Oh, I don't remember.
I remember drunk up, then can make necklace.
Uh-huh. Yeah, they're cool. Really pretty. Put them in the pocket.
You can go foreign too.
Mm-hmm.
I know for them too.
Not good. I'm not the only one sweating, but definitely sweating enough for 3 or 4 people. Chopity way.
Two come.
Rain.
No bro, God.
Soursop.
Wait, man.
Yeah.
Throw it in a bag.
Yes.
Yep.
What a score. So easy access. That's not always the case. Hell yes. This is one of my favorite fruits in Jamaica. And actually where we're hiking to the slavery house, the ruins of an old plantation, that's where I shot the very first soursop juice video. We actually picked a soursop right at this plantation ruins that we're going to. So in my kit I carry all important things: lenses, batteries, water, and don't bruise the soursop. Oh man, here's rain.
Whoa.
We're pretty protected in here from the rain, actually. It's not too bad. Yeah.
Rat.
Let's hide out. We'll just wait here for a minute. Cool off. Let the rain pass. Ratty,
Ready?
you've never been up there before?
No.
Oh wow. The first time I came here, I did a hike with Moko up here.
I never come.
Uh-huh.
I never come.
Wow, you're gonna love it, Ratty. It's really cool.
Ready, steady, go.
Okay.
What you see?
Let's
I
go.
didn't carry on the body wall.
Carry on, carry on.
It just falling off the trees.
I don't know, it sounds like more than that.
No.
No, see it. It's just dropping off the trees.
Off of the tree, that drop, man.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You start to slow
Keep it
down.
coming.
Are you road there, Rat?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the road there.
Somebody live
No man will leave there. Yeah, come up here,
No, man. I've been up here many times.
Oh. No matter me carry big belly man, come up here.
Oh. Careful.
Trouble is there. Straight to Hayfield, I go to Portland the next trip and then come up.
Yeah. That'd be wicked hike.
Yeah?
Go all the way to Millbank.
Alright, thank you.
So Jobby was talking about hiking all the way to Portland, going to Millbank.
I make standby. Come back for your own.
Yeah.
Ratty, if you do that hiking?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, what can I do? Yeah.
Nice natural spring water. Look at that.
You want water, Papa? No. Alright, back with it. Full it up a nice spring water, bro, God.
Oh, it's nice and cold too. So good. Oh, it tastes so good. So crystal. Just natural, right from the earth. Springing out.
You know where did that come from, bro, God?
Way up top,
Way up.
the actual spring. Oh, and these big snails. Some huge snails out here. Well, it's a pretty big boy. It's definitely feeling cooler up here, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice breeze. I love that sound of the bamboo knocking together. It almost sounds like wind chimes. It's kind of creaking, cracking, rustling. What was that? Knocking together. Just beautiful nature sound. Damp rainforest jungle vibe. Pretty overgrown. Obviously there's a path, but you're not going to run into many people here, if any. I never have anyway. Look at that coconut tree. Tall one, but you got drinks up here. Speaking of, that's pretty old. Yeah. Sometimes you do get lucky though. You know, a whole bunch of them down on the ground, so there's obviously not many people up here collecting. Again, and when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. This might be the craziest looking mushroom that I've ever found. And I found lion's manes, I found puffballs. Check out my other channel, Earthly Eats. But look at this one. This is wild. You see that? It's got like a net around the bottom of it. Like lace. That is so crazy looking. Whoa! Have you seen that before? Can anyone tell me what kind of mushroom this is? It's like growing specifically under the coconut. I mean, it's got a lot of nutrients here. Look at all the coconuts. Just feeding them, but there's another one. That is some crazy nature. A little phallic, but hey. Here we are. Man. This is what Moko calls slavery house. The ruins of an old plantation. I believe from 1800s. It is a trip. Look at this. Just crazy. This was a very big property at one point. Look at the roots of the tree. How high up it goes.
Want to see the upstairs?
Yeah.
No.
I remember there was an orange tree growing upstairs last time I was here. It's your first time, Ratty?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Next time I come up here, I'm gonna bring a tent and camp out up here. Full on living room. 2-3 floors. Look how massive this place was at one point. Coppy, did you hear anything about this place? Like how old it is or anything like that? I wonder where I could look that up. Maybe in Morant Bay Library, but just... Hey look, oranges.
Hey, young.
But there's still an orange tree there. So who knows what room this was. Wow, someone built something in here recently. Yo, come look at this table, guys. Some people are hanging out up here. Maybe some ganja farmers.
Wow.
Maybe some duppies.
No, so.
That is so crazy. What a hangout spot. Moko was saying people did used to live up here too. Some Rastaman had a camp up here a long time ago. And he said, I remember he said the bricks are made from limestone. It's actually a lot bigger than I remember. I remember the staircase, I remember having a few rooms, but this is giant. You get quite the view through there.
Look over there. Some coconut on the tree.
Yeah, we should get some.
No.
What are you going for? Soursop.
Yeah.
Another one. Wow, what a score. That is a good size one.
Put it in the bag.
Yeah. You see it? Not quite ripe, but still good. Got another little one?
Yes.
Okay.
We got a lot of soursop to roast.
Yeah, we're good. We're gonna have a good drink later.
No, it's not in there, young.
No, maybe.
Just exploring around here. There's just such a crazy place. The outside. I mean, you can't see it at all from the bottom, right until you get up to it. It's just completely hidden. Someone's been doing some banana farming. I just wish I knew the history. There's got to be so many stories you could tell about up here. Here's the view. Hey, buddy.
No.
Let's go upstairs, definitely. Let's go.
This way. It's really yummy.
Yeah, let's go, Ratty.
Upstairs. Upstairs.
Jeet, jeet, jeet. And he even got archways in it.
Wow.
And just look at the tree trying to grow around it.
Look upstairs. Look all upstairs. Go.
Wow, look at all the ackee too.
Wow.
A lot of ackee over there.
They're opening.
Yeah, some open ones. We should take some down.
Where do you go home?
Uh-huh.
That's the back there over there. So.
Yeah. And then this is right where we were inside. Yeah. Tables down in that way.
Yes.
Well, if you came and camped out, you definitely have enough food. Jeez, look at the spikies. Beware. And maybe the biggest room of it. Coopy, are any of these oranges good?
No, they're alright.
They're too young?
Yeah.
Too sour?
Yeah, they're alright.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Even more soursop. There's a lot of soursop trees. Here's one. Yo, there's a bigger one. This one's bearing like crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. 6. 7. So many. And then here's the one of my favorite teas in the world. You get these on soursop tea.
Wow. No way. Those are big ones over there.
Whoa!
Over there.
Whoa! Huge. Still young, even though it's that big. And look at these big ackee.
Now we're gonna put them up to the right.
This guy is young.
Let's go look down there and then we'll take a look outside because there's a wicked view on this other side.
Yeah. Come on, let's go down there.
Let's go down there. Hey, downstairs we go. Check out the final rooms. Oh, here's an orange. A little far gone, as usual. Damn.
Not today, we're gonna put them in the bag. Come on, come on, come.
Okay.
Come.
Oh, the oranges smell nice. The ripe one on the ground, even though I'm not going to eat it. But okay, let's get the bag filled up here, and we'll move on to the other room.
We're gonna put them in fast before Coopy comes.
All right, this is going to be the soursop section because you don't want them to bruise up, even though they're actually pretty tough when they're not ripe. Got a big one here. Whoa, big boy. Big boy's going to go in the top, I think. Put that one there.
Where we're gonna put the oranges?
Put those there. And this one is surprisingly got a lot of room.
Big boy can go in there. Cannot. Oh, there.
Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but this bag is so awesome. So it's a low pro. Forget the name of it.
Go up here.
But the link is below.
This seat is
Whoa,
broken.
careful. Don't broke it. Yeah, this bag is great. It's my favorite camera bag I've ever had. And I can't even fit my drone up here too. So very compact. Got a tablet. So there's a link to my little Amazon referral store if you like.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's go check that final room, Ratty.
Yes, we're gonna get some coconut.
Okay, I love that plan. Final rooms. Here we come. Huh?
I said,
Ah!
Let's go. Plant some coconut up there.
Yeah,
That was big.
that's a little tall for me. Maybe Coopy can do that one.
Yeah.
That's pretty intense. So here's the last big room, which I think Moko told me was the kitchen. He could tell it was a kitchen because it had this stuff in the wall. So yeah, Moko was saying this was the kitchen at one point. Have a big fire under there going.
Yes, sir.
And whoa, watch the step. I mean, this is something that Jamaica has a lot of. There's all these crazy old sites, but no information about it. I feel like it's such an interesting thing, and we don't know anything. It's such an interesting piece of history to learn about. Like, what's in here? Oh, another set of stairs, Rat, back up to the orange tree. Yeah, another access. Try it out. This huge room, again. Same spot?
Yes.
Okay.
Right up to the orange tree.
Right up to the orange tree. Beautiful vines. And there's one more room. I have definitely never looked in there before. Let's find out what's in there. Whoa. Whoop. Yeah. Let's climb up there.
A pipe is there.
Like how?
But there's a pipe there.
There's a pipe there. What?
Going.
So there's a water cistern at some point.
Water system.
Got a little lime.
Lime.
Or it's an orange that fell. There's Coopy in there for scale. Freaking huge.
Don't that building look like it's a pool?
Was it pool at one point, yeah?
I don't know, but look down there.
Yeah, could be. It would make sense. Some just crazy history here.
Ducks.
Even more. This is soursop land.
Yeah.
I've never seen so many soursop
Neither me.
growing all in one spot.
What?
It's still on the tree. Ukani, let's go check the view on the other side.
Oh.
There's a wicked view of the mountains just on the other side.
Shut that one.
Yeah, right here.
Right over there. Come on.
Come on.
Right here.
Yeah. See if Kani will pick us some coconuts. Yeah, here's the ackee tree. Oh, just as we're gonna go to the view, here comes the rain. Okay, plan B, hide for a minute. Look how big these ackee are. They're big. Where?
Right there, look there.
What? You're right. Just hidden. Huh. Huh.
Let's get some monkeys.
Ackee? Yeah, let's get some ackee while we're here. Might as well.
Yeah.
It's pretty low. I can climb that. The pick. Oh, look at those. Those are easy access.
Right one.
Kind of rotten one.
Oh.
This one.
Yeah,
No good.
take
That's
that
no
one
good. That
out.
one's no good. These ones are okay.
Yeah, that one needs to open. Take that one away.
This one's no good? Isn't that open yet?
No.
That's open.
Look, it's closed up. Just take it away.
No, if it's cracked, it's okay, man.
No, you get some more.
It's raining.
Plant the tree.
We got enough ackee on the yard, man. There's so many, right? We don't need to take them up here.
No, not on the tree.
Yeah.
No.
You ever eat ackee raw?
Yes.
Yeah?
But you have to clear out the seed.
It's gonna try a little nibble of raw ackee. Pretty good. Definitely better cooked though.
Your name must say I want some coconut.
What?
Coconut.
Where?
You know what must say I want coconut.
See that big one?
No, so that tree jam like. That's not good.
That's not good.
It blighted.
Mato, come on.
Yo, that green is there.
Where?
Ratty, move. Move now. See my bro, man.
Oh, good one. Big greenie. Time to get going.
Good man.
Let's go.
The rain is coming down.
All right.
Let's go, let's hit the road.
All right.
Wow, these logs are good. Get down at the house, get it. Let's find out.
Well, if we're gonna be stuck somewhere
No.
for a minute, this is a pretty cool place to be stuck.
They make a log what you can sit on.
Yeah. Nice tree growing up.
I see that tree, man. I'll cross back the river, I'll go up on the road straight
So
home.
a different way back.
When I go cross back the river, and then you try to unroll it so.
Oh.
Go up on the big road.
Okay.
Remember this song?
Remember that song?
Yeah.
Right on the big road.
Because we always cut bamboo there. You ready? No.
Let the
Look
rain
there,
fall out.
water there. Water run, water pipe.
Up here?
And you see the pipe?
Yeah.
Set the bucket.
Where are you?
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Hit the road, boys.
Go on, boy. Go on. Go on, she bitch. Yes.
So the rain's stopped, I guess, enough to get back, hopefully.
Go on, she bitch. Jump. Jump. Down there, I'm going to help you. Down there, I'm going to know. Walk yourself. Thank you. Take your time. Take your
Whoop.
time.
Watch it, Rat. Camera's gonna go away for now before it gets any wetter. We'll be back on the yard in no time, and hopefully not too wet, but we'll see. That was the first time I've been to Slavery House in a long time.
Yeah,
I forgot how wicked it was, man.
Then you go up there, you know. And we pick jelly of white tree there, remember?
Yeah.
And Farai too. Me and Farai did go there.
We got soursop up there the first time we went.
Yeah, man.
And then we got some more again today, and there was so many bearing up there, I couldn't believe it.
But then I put, then I ripe like them there.
No.
They're young.
Them big. Don't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Big and fat.
Yeah.
And thick up.
But I was so surprised to see that big bamboo table.
White man live up there.
Lives
Nobody.
there.
Up there live.
Nobody know up there.
Up there white man live. All him mother then come there, all him sister then the whole of them, I know they know you. Then walk, I go walk, come down to come lick me one day. All up of them falls up there so. That man. You have girls up there, no? Something like that. A young youth him about 30 or 35, 36. Not them bracket there. Me I look on 35, 36. Which one to real.
But I forgot how big it was up there. I remember the staircase and the rooms and that kind of thing, but there's so many rooms to it, buildings.
Room. They not cook no food.
Steps, kitchen.
You not cook no food.
And we didn't know.
And then they open there where they cook food.
We saw the big oven, yeah, I pointed it out because I remember you told me about it way back. Yeah.
Then suppose you go there and difficult take your hand breathe. Where you go? You wouldn't cook there.
I would.
You wouldn't sleep there.
I'd sleep in there. That's the driest place. Man.
Ah.
But not on top.
No, right on top. But the driest place there right there, yo.
Well, we hid out under the little archway by the stairs for a minute. But the drier place would be the oven or the stove.
If you don't got nowhere, man, and last, and not traveling the hills and find them places there, you're good. Yeah, man.
But you said the Rasta guys you know used to live up there too?
Up there?
Mm-hmm.
What the Rasta?
Did you say other Rasta guys lived up there? Other Rasta men?
I was telling you that Rasta live far out, but they're not dead out, man. Yeah.
It's a long time back.
I did you walk, you know, Matthew. Go. I'm more tongue, you know.
If you continue past there, that's how you get to Portland.
Yeah, you go and keep on walk until you reach in a more town. But this time, the night time catch you. Night time fuck you up.
Yeah.
More town there. But that road, I just walk. But we don't walk down there, so we go out on the main road and connect main road out there, you know, where we drive from, you know. We go down at Sandy level, we go Millbank, Comfort Castle, all them places there, you know. We walk on foot, you know, Swift River and all them places there, you know, man. Out all like them places where Chucky live, all out of them places there. Swift River and all them shit there. Can't walk from here, Sango, yeah. No problem.
It's such a great hike, man. And pretty close, too.
Yeah, man.
It doesn't even take that long to get there, really.
That's stone show, you know, boop up there.
Yeah.
But sometimes we don't tell nobody, because no tell no people, you want to pay no money, you know. You don't want to pay no money, you see no scenery. That's it.
I thought the scenery was free.
You don't want to pay no money, no scenery. Scenery free, yes, but what about the guide?
Yeah, the guide, true, because you need someone to show you the way up there. You can't just send people on their way.
No,
like, hey,
man,
go find Slavery House.
Wow, the man got up there at Slavery House.
Get lost in the fucking woods.
I know man ganja field. A white boy we had in a ganja field, a white man we had in a ganja field. I were there, boy. I stay by Moko, then where you there? Anything can happen to you now, you know. Because you're alone. Yeah, man.
It's a wild jungle, man.
Man,
no, you did.
And you too.
Only one side. No, I didn't even hit my butt on the ground, just my hand. You fell like 4 times, man. That was good.
You got excited.
And
wait, me take off my shoes.
Good exercise to get rat. Long time you don't go over them mountain there. You know I went down Ratty? You know up there?
No, he said it was his first time.
I see ganja up there too. What kind of sitting as a plant?
Banana planting.
Oh.
There's some big jelly tree in a tree. We want them grow.
But me not go there and drink the jelly.
Could say they
Crazy.
not like them.
Me not be climb them. Me get a bamboo stick and lance off. Juke them. Bamboo stick out there.
I have some big long bamboo.
And then I take up one and juke off it. You think a pussy can come and come to me say, yo, them play job and me say, where, by when? Why when? We know that slavery place, man, privy pick jelly, man, go away from here, man. If a man pick jelly anywhere. Sick. What people play? That land settlement place, brother. Land lease, anybody free if you go to go pick jelly, anybody free if you go to go ground.
Up top there, yeah.
Anybody free if you do anything there, brother. If you don't got a house, and you go there, you clean it up, you live there, you don't buy no business with you.
I'm fixing on the top.
I'm fixing on the top, you got a huge, massive house in the hills.
Upstairs.
You can contain a lot of white tea. The wicked sunshine busting out out I see mission there. It's right here, man.
Yeah, we see the signal.
In a bath. Right in a bath, you look when you're up there, you know. And you look way out to the sea, ocean, you know. Picks up the whole thing, chop him down, decorate him up, man. Got up there, paint him up, got up there for your hotel. People come there, collect money, it's no big fee. But you're trying something in the woods, you know. Yeah, man.